whole row to ourselves. So I'm gonna quarantine myself back here until it's time to go.
We're boarding.
Before I get everything messed up, torn up, everything, here's a little room tour. We got our 2 beds, TV, all that good stuff. And look, I have a balcony. Yay! So excited. Okay, how do I, let me figure this out real quick. Okay. Okay. Woo! Bougie. Oh, I love it. Boricua. So cute. We are in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We are at the pool right now. At the bar, getting drinks, and then we're gonna head to the pool. But yeah, Puerto Rico is lit.
All right, keep up, guys. Keep up.
Thank you. Well. So just landed in Dallas. We got to our hotel a little later than expected because there was an issue with our reservations, but we're finally here. Let's look at the view. Downtown Fort Worth. She's pretty. Little hotel room they gave us. So we're only gonna be here for about 12 hours, but that gives us plenty of time to go get some good food. There isn't much time to do anything today, especially since we wasted like a good hour and a half trying to figure out our limo and hotel limo situation. But we're finally here, so that's all that matters. So now I just gotta get ready. I have all my stuff set up. I always leave my things ready for whenever I get back. I have to charge my tablet. This is for my watch for later on. Yeah, what else did I need to do? My water. So I just have to get settled and I'll be ready to go. Ready to head up downtown just to get food because we can't be out. We have to self-quarantine here in this hotel. So I'm gonna go meet Andy up and we're in Dallas, baby. Fort Worth. Now it is. Okay, look how deserted Fort Worth is. This is downtown. Like what? In tarnation.
Pretzel, pizza, sandwiches, you know, to go. Cheesecake Factory, same thing. All their stuff is to go as well. If you're looking for like pizza and wings,
the flying saucer.
Reason of the night, 1999.
Why? Andy here. We got 2 pizzas.
Who needs a GoPro?
Would you like some pretzels? No? Okay. Can I get you some cookies?
Calling me, so they may call you.
this is all we can do during quarantine. Getting down to the pond down there and just fish. Of course, I needed my coffee. 6 in the morning, sitting in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, having to wear this baby the whole flight.